Okay, hello, good afternoon, everyone. Well, good afternoon for me and good morning for some people. So, looking at NASDAQ for London Open at the moment, obviously nothing's going on right now. We're accumulating, we're waiting for a liquidity sweep. So, for liquidity, we've got two options. We've got a big FVG, bearish FVG sitting up there. And then below us, we've got this order block in here before the push up. We've got another FVG resting below here. So we've got liquidity sitting at both ends. So we've got an alert as per usual at this end and then at that end waiting for a break. And then, yeah, we'll be targeting the opposite direction for our swing. So we'll see how this plays out. If we look at the daily, we're bullish at the moment on the daily. So whether we get a nice sell into London, push back into this FVG a little bit for a rally tonight for New York, whether we're going to get higher highs again, whether we'll break past this or we're going to get a healthy retracement. So obviously in the markets, it's going to be 50-50. It's going to be one way or the other. And really, I just trade what I see. So I don't like to go, oh, yeah, it's going to definitely sell, because if it doesn't, well, I'm getting on the other end of the market. So definitely just trade what you see and trade what the market gives you. So at the moment, we're just waiting. Okay, so we're currently in this trade. It's a little bit risky. So we had our liquidity grab, as you can see, with this wick down. However, the breaker structure, for a solid breaker structure, would have been above this area. But I got in a little bit early when we broke this structure here. But it's not a solid breaker structure, as you can see. Like, this leg's very messy. So this is a very, very risky trade at the moment. For me to feel a lot more comfortable, we need a break above this leg here to have a solid breaker structure, and then I'll go, yep, we're fine. And then we're just targeting on this one a 1.74, just because we're in a bit of a tight range here. So it's still a fairly good trade. So we'll just see what happens. Okay, so we've had our change of character here, you can see. So this is where the entry would have been. So we've actually got ourselves in a bit of a better position at the moment, where we did actually enter a little bit too soon. So yeah, we're pushing up now, which is good. And then, like usual, I'll wait for further breaks in structure before putting my stop loss to break even. But yeah, this trade looks fairly good. Oh God, it's actually flying. So that 174, I could possibly actually move my stop to 2R, which would be, let's see, could possibly, if we're getting all this momentum on it, let's go 2R for a minute. And then what I could do is I'm going to put the alert here, so we can just see what price is doing. We can also move our stops to break even. We'll just go like that. See if we can get a 2R from this trade.